and I will show you how to connect the LED status light to the greenBOX Nxt. The top terminal here is designated for the LED status light. The colored wires handle the 24-volt DC power, the gray wire is for the buzzer, and the black wire serves as ground. From right to left, connect the green wire first, followed by the yellow wire, then the red wire, and finally the black wire at the end. The gray wire is optional and should be connected in parallel with the red wire. If you don't want a noise indicator when there is an error, simply omit connecting the gray wire. Now let's cover the color indicators. Green means the system is running with no errors. Yellow indicates there's a warning in the system, such as the pressure reaching a warning level. Finally, red signifies that something is wrong and needs immediate attention. You have the option to have the lights blink or remain constant. To set this, remove the cover and adjust the setting inside. Moving the switch up gives you a steady light, while moving it down sets it to flash. You can configure this for every color. The output is limited to 0.37 ampere, which determines the maximum size of the status LED light you can use. And this is how to connect the LED light indicator to the greenBOX Nxt.